This is the assembly video for building the power electric recliner with infinite position model 7630. This is the brown color. This is the bottom cushion. We have the right side arm. We have the backrest, which is pretty heavy. And then we also have the left arm and a box of hardware. So once you take everything out of the boxes, this is what you're left with. And the first one you want to start with is actually removing these plastic clips that come on the backrest brackets. So there's these plastic grips. You have to take them off so that the brackets are exposed. You can get you can actually see the brackets right here, how they're exposed. This is how it's supposed to look like. And you can also see sliding brackets for the arms. All you have to do to put the arms on is just line them up from the top and make sure it slides in, and you press down and it's secure. I'm going to do the same thing with the second arm. Line up the brackets from the top, and once they're lined up, I secure and fasten all the way down. Now, to put on the backrest, there is one exposed cable right here, and this one will actually connect to the backrest. So I'm going to put the backrest on top, and you'll see the cables that are supposed to match together. And get a close up right here. You're supposed to connect them together, slide them in, and lock the cable in place. And now you just want to align this bracket with the brackets on here. Once those both are aligned, you want to slide down until you hear the noises click. So now you can see this bracket is secure, this bracket is in place, and our cable is plugged in. And now we can connect the cables right here. The right side arm is powered with this cable, and it connects right here. Once you have that connected, you're ready for the next step. So in this hardware box, I'm gonna open up real quick. You're gonna see what's inside. We have one remote control that has all our functions. We have some backrest supports that we can put on later. We have extra zip ties in case you need to move the wires, and then your power source. The power source goes in right here. You plug that in, and the control or the chair's functions, you want to throw the remote over to the right side, and you want to plug this cable into this last hole right here. And to organize the cables, you can use this clip to keep them together. Just like that. And now you're ready to connect this to your power outlet. So once you connect the chair to power, you want to make sure this button is turned on, and you want to check the remote to make sure there's light, and now you can start using your chair. Now for these backrest support brackets, they're actually used for support for when you recline the chair. So you get extra stubs, your brackets, 2 sets of bolts, and wing nuts. And those actually go with 2 holes that are lined up on each side of the recliner. So you put this right here, you run the bolt all the way through, and then you use the wing nut to secure it in place. And you do that for the other side as well. And now you're ready to use a recliner.